Hello guys, this is your Chinese bro Jamal. When you just start learning a new language, what would be the first thing you want to know? Let's say Chinese, probably how tones work, right? So after you understand how tones work, what would be the next step? You probably want to learn how to introduce yourself, right? I'm gonna go outside right now and to find a person to show you how I can use these 3 sentences to start a conversation, introduce my name, and also to close a conversation. There's a girl sitting right there, right next to a tree. I'm gonna talk to her and then show you how these 3 sentences work. Let's go. Hi, 你好。
你好，
我是假毛，
你好，
请问你的名字是什么？
我是沙米，
很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你。
I'm gonna teach you sentence by sentences to help you understand how these 3 sentences work. Okay, so the first thing I say to Sammy was Hi, 你好. So hi is just like English, it's just say hi or hello. And 你好, ni means you and 好 means good. It probably doesn't make sense, right? You good. But in Chinese, this is a very common way to say hi or hello to someone you don't know. I usually won't say 你好 to my friend. After I say hi 你好, the first sentence I said was 我是假毛. 我 means I. 是 in English you have is MR, but in Chinese only one single word, which is 是. Okay, so 我是 means I am, and you say your name. So my Chinese name is not 假毛, it's just translated from my English name Jamal. It's just a joke. The second sentence I say was 请问你的名字是什么? So 请问 means like please let me ask. 请 means please, and 问 just means ask. So every time you want to ask someone a question and you want to be polite, you can use 请问. Okay? And then 你的, so 你 means you, 你的 means your. And 名字, I just told you that it's the same. 名字 just means name. Okay? This part in Chinese and English, they are opposite. In English, you would say, what is your name? In Chinese, you would say, your name is what? And question mark. Okay. So, 什么, second and fifth, means what? Let me say it again. 请问你的名字是什么? Please let me ask. Your name is what? Okay, you got it? So the last sentence I say was 很高兴认识你. So first, 很 is third tone. It means very. And 高兴 means glad or happy or willing to do something. Okay. 认识 means meet or know. And 你 means you. So 很高兴认识你 means very happy to meet you. I think it's a good way to close a conversation. Let's say today you go to a party and you just met some new friends, but you gotta go. So you can say, oh, 很高兴认识你. Or maybe in a more formal situation, you still can use this. You can shake hands by saying, 很高兴认识你. So today you have learned 3 basic Chinese sentences to help you start a conversation, introduce your name, and also close the conversation. So find someone you know to practice your Chinese, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And by the way, if you like my video, please help me hit the like button and subscribe this channel to help your friends or more people find this video, okay? And also, if you have different things you want to learn about, please comment below to let me know so I can produce more awesome videos to help you learn Chinese. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you next time. 很高兴认识你。